Hello and welcome to grammar class. Past modals is our topic today. Modals are auxiliary verbs and past modals consist of modals plus have plus past participle or third form of the main verb. In passive voice, past modals have modals plus have been plus past participle of the principal verb. So now we know the structures of past modals in active and passive voice. But what is the use of past modals? Well, past modals are used to modify principal verbs in some past context. In other words, past modals are used to express speculation, duty, imagination, obligation, possibility, ability, etc. in the context of some past activity or event. First up, let's learn the negative use of past modal couldn't have or can't have. It expresses disbelief, amazement, or impossibility. For example, he can't have committed suicide. The speaker does not believe that he has committed suicide. Similarly, the money can't have flown away means the speaker does not believe that the money has flown away on its own, which also means that somebody has stolen the money. Up next, we have may have. The past use of the modal verb may shows guess or speculation about a past action. For example, we may have lost our way. Here the speaker is guessing that they have lost their way. Here the speaker is not certain about it, but he is speculating that there is a possibility. Similarly, he may have committed suicide. This sentence means he has probably committed suicide. It's a speculation. The past modal might have also expresses guess or speculation about a past action. But here the degree of probability is less in comparison to the past modal may have. For example, he might have missed the school bus, so he is absent. This is our guess. We speculate that he has probably missed the school bus, so he is absent. Again, he might have been murdered for money. Here the speaker is speculating that he has probably been murdered for money. The past modal might have also indicates the past possibility of something that didn't happen, which means there was a possibility of an activity but it did not happen. For example, he drove so rashly that he might have met with an accident. There was a possibility of an accident due to his rash driving, but there was no accident. The second example, the patient might have died, but the doctor saved him, shows that there was a possibility of the patient's death in the past, but he did not die. Up next, we have the past modal could have, which shows a past ability to do something that was not done. For example, he could have passed the test if he had tried better. This sentence means he did not try well, so he could not pass the test. Similarly, I could have won the race if I had not stumbled twice means I had the ability to win the race, but I stumbled twice, so I could not. And then we have the past modal must have, which expresses certainty or assuredness about a past activity. Assuredness means feeling sure about the happening of some event or activity in the past. For example, you must have heard the name of Pele. Here the speaker feels certain that the listener has heard the name of Pele. The second example, someone must have stolen my purse, shows that the speaker feels certain that someone has definitely stolen his purse. What about the past modal should have and ought to have? They show a person's past obligation or responsibility that was not fulfilled, which may also mean it was advisable or better for a person to do something but he didn't do it. He ought to have helped his friend. This sentence shows that it was his obligation or responsibility to help his friend but he didn't do it. You should have saved some money regularly. It was better for you to save some money regularly but you didn't do it. The last example, she should not have quit her job means it was not advisable for her to quit her job, but she did so. Well, up next we have the past modal would have. It shows an imagined supposition or a hypothetical result of a past action that was not done. For example, he would have passed if he had studied well. Here the speaker imagines how the person would have passed if he had studied well, but he did not study well, so he did not pass. If it had not rained, we would have played. Here the speaker means to say that they did not play due to rain, but he also imagines how they would have played if there had been no rain. Finally, we have the negative past modal need not have. It shows that something was needlessly done in the past, though it was not necessary to do so, and now it is regretted. For example, you needn't have waited for him, which means you had no need to wait for him, still you waited for him. And then the second example, I need not have done that job. I had no need to do that job, still I did it and I regret it now. So we understand that past modals are used to show the speaker's certain thoughts or feelings about some past activity or event. Or past modals may also be used in continuous form. In such a use of the past modal, the continuity of the action is emphasized. In continuous form, the structure of the past modal is modal plus have been plus the ing form or present participle of the main verb. Now see some examples of past modals in their continuous forms. He might have been overspeeding when the accident happened. They must have been waiting for me. They should not have been brawling in the classroom. The first sentence means he was probably overspeeding when the accident happened. Second sentence means they were definitely or certainly waiting for me. And the third sentence means it was not good for them to be brawling or fighting in the classroom. So that's the end of today's video. Here I recommend you to watch my previous videos on modals for a better understanding. Hopefully you liked my video. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more grammar videos. Thank you very much.